Enklu Embedded is a Unity plugin built to create and share interactive 3D assets in real time across connected devices. With Enklu Embedded, you can skip the build process, saving thousands of hours on a single project. Drag an Enklu volume prefab into your Unity scene. From here, you can create new elements to hold an asset or link it to an existing asset. The Enklu volume will update content across your Unity projects and deployed applications, allowing you to update your Enklu volume without rebuilding your entire Unity project. Enklu Embedded also automates several key processes for importing and optimizing large, high-fidelity assets, which makes it easier to deliver massive 3D files quickly. To learn more, schedule a demo at enklu.com.